How to install Gemini AI in iPhone device. Gemini is Google's family of generative AI models. It can be used for creating chatbots capable of mimicking human speech, summarizing articles, analyzing data, and even producing images. So to install Gemini AI, open the Safari app and search gemini.google.com. Click on the link to open the official website of Gemini. At the very bottom of the Safari app is a share button. You can scroll down and click Add to Home Screen. Now this website will be saved on your home screen like an application. Simply click Add. Now as you can see, there is the Gemini app, and if I tap on it, it takes me to the gemini.google.com. Now you can click on Chat with Gemini and read the terms and conditions. Click I agree and continue. And that's it. This is how you can install Gemini AI on iPhone. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.